How to delete Facebook account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually delete your Facebook account on your iPhone, all you have to do is, first of all, it doesn't matter whether it's an iPhone or Android, as long as you can open the Facebook app, you can see, and you can just come to the menu page here. When you come to the menu page, tap the gear icon located at the top of the screen, and from here on you can just go to this option known as Account Center. After you go to Account Center, you can go to Personal Details. From here you can go to Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation and Deletion, select your Facebook account, and then select the option called Delete Account here. Tap on Continue, enter your password, and then after that your Facebook account will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Facebook account on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.